guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a great day. I will let you know I just posted my Jeffree Star Valentine's Day mystery box unboxing of the premium box. We do have one more coming in. I did receive my Boxycharm for February 2020. This is a $25 box a month. You get 5 full-size products. Most of the time, majorly, I love Boxycharm. I love what I get. They have started where you can choose one item in all of the tiers of Boxycharm. You do have the base box, which is what this is. When you receive your box, if you don't know, you can see the color inside. The base box is always red. The premium box is blue. And then the Boxy Luxe is huge. So, there's a way you can tell. So let's go ahead and get in this. I will let you know. I did pick the Iconic London Data Slay palette. So when you open it, this is what it looks like inside every time it says Hello Charmer. It is bubble wrapped. I will let you know, be sure not to pop this, especially with the virus going on. Your bubble wrap does come from China, so keep it intact. Alright, so the first thing I am pulling out is from Laura Geller. This is the Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator Gilded Honey. I do not have a card. I have watched a couple of unboxings. Seems that Boxycharm forgot to give us cards this month. So before I came on here, I did go and find all the prices so that I don't look stupid. The Laura Geller Baked Highlighter retails for $26. I do not have one of these. I know that this has been in the box numerous times now. This is a hybrid texture. It applies like a sheer powder and feels like a cream, and they say you can put it all over your face. Now, I think that that's rather dark to put all over my face. I think if you were darker toned, it would be amazing looking. It is pretty. I am not going to stick my finger in there for the simple fact that I don't know what I'm going to do with that. But this is the Gilded Honey. It's the Caramel Honey shade. Baked Gelato Swirl Illuminator. Anyway, there's that. The next thing we have is by Evo Skin Aurora. These are refreshing, cleansing hemp wipes. That is what they look like. When I looked these up, these retail for $10. I don't know how many are in here. I need some eyeballs to try to see. I will let you know that they are biodegradable wipes, which is totally cool to me. I think that that is neat. It says for all skin types. They are natural, vegan, cruelty-free, gluten-free, paraben-free, toxic-free. Oh, and there are 15 wipes in here. So for $10, that's not bad. I will be trying them out, seeing what I think. Never tried any with hemp in there, so I'm okay with that. The next thing we have is from Ciate London. This is the Everyday Vacay. This is a translucent powder. It retails for $22. It is vegan, and it says that it gives no flashback. And I know that it is coconut scented. So if you have an allergic reaction or are allergic to coconut, I would not suggest using this. If I can find the little opener. I do know that we got the regular translucent powder not long ago. And I love the smell of coconut, so I can't say that I really smell coconut. at all whatsoever. But the original one that we got, I was not a fan of. It is... This is the Extraordinary, and this is the Novake. So this left a white cast on my face that I wasn't a fan of. So I will definitely give this a try and see what I think about it. And if it does smell like coconut, because I can't smell any coconut. Next thing that is in here is from Luxie. This is the Luxie Complete Sponge Set, Bake, Contour, and Detail. This was a variation between this and the Alamar brushes, the 3-piece face brush set. Now, I'm not real big on sponges. I use them every now and then, but I am a brush girl. I will take these out and see how they feel. Samantha uses sponges, so she will get a lot more use out of these than I will. I don't know why I smelled it. It just smells new. They feel really cool, and they have the different shapes to them, so I do use these to line out my contour, so that's about all I use my sponges for. If I do use a sponge, it is my Juno sponges. So, 3-piece sponge trio, and this retails for $40. I can tell you right now, there's no way I would spend $40 on 3 sponges when you can go to TJ Maxx and get Real Technique sponges for like $12. And the last thing in here is, of course, what I picked, my choice pick for the February box. Like I said, it is the iconic London Day to Slay eyeshadow palette. This is a $62 value palette. There are 20 shades in here. It says, create endless beautiful looks with these 20 highly pigmented pink, peach, bronze, and gold shades. These velvety soft powders include a mixture of mattes, shimmers, and glitters for flawless day to night looks. So you take it out of the sleeve. The outside packaging looks just like the inside packaging. I will let you know that this palette has got some thickness to it. There is a mirror. And then that is what those colors look like. Yep, that happened. So there's what those colors look like. This is a nice cool toned palette, is what I would call this. Iconic London palettes are made in Italy. And as you can see on the back of this, it does say made in PRC, which is made from China. Now, I know that there are a lot of nasty videos going around for Boxycharm and duping original creations, if you will. I have no problem with things made in China. Half the things in my house are made from China. There's not a whole lot left that are made in the USA. So, as long as the formula is good and my eyeballs don't fall out, I don't really care where it's made. And you shouldn't either. You're getting a great value for a pretty palette. And if it does bother you, then please, by all means, take your butt down to the Sephora and spend the $62 and get the same palette that you can get in a Boxycharm for $25. It's up to you. I'm definitely okay with it. I will go ahead and swatch a couple of these because I just did not do that. And I need to. I want to. So let's do Wonderland. Girl Boss, Merlot Monday, and VIP Vibes. There is what it looks like on my hand. Seems like pretty good formula to me. So, made in China. Has the Beccas seal of approval. Anyway, where you buy your makeup, how you buy your makeup, the whole 9 yards is up to you. But please, stop bashing Boxycharm. If you don't like it, don't like where the products are made, or you feel like they lied to us, stop buying the damn box. It's that simple. Alright, so now that I've done my rant and shaded out, I just can't take it anymore. If you don't like it, don't buy it. It's that simple. If you have a problem with it, stop purchasing it. It's that easy. It's your money, your feelings. Move on. Go to Sephora. Pay the $62. Either way, I can't tell you what box variation I got because I didn't get a card. I will let you know that the theme for this month is Adore, which is love. Fits very perfectly into February month, Valentine's Day month. So my box, all in all, was a $160 value for the $25 that I spent. Am I happy? Yes, I'm very happy. Minus this little illuminator. I probably will not keep this. It just doesn't seem like something that I will use. And I have a metric butt ton of highlighters. I don't really need another one. Anyway, that was my box. I'm excited for everything that came. Comment down below. Let me know what you got in your box. Let me know your feelings on all of the videos going around bashing Boxycharm, basically. Let me know how you're feeling about it. Did you cancel? Are you going to cancel? Are you into the drama, or you just want to be left out? You know, buy your box, carry on, be excited, or get your box, be pissed off, and cancel. I want to know. I'm nosy. Let me know. Thank you for watching the video. As always, do like, share, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, y'all stay beautiful. Bye, guys.